In this video, I'm going to show you how to dub a Chinese video to English using ElevenLabs, step by step. This is a really useful method if you want to translate and localize video content quickly, whether you're working on social media clips, training videos, educational content, or anything else you want to make more accessible to an English-speaking audience. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software how-to videos. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see different tools available, and the one you need for this task is dubbing. Click on dubbing to open the dubbing workspace. This is where ElevenLabs lets you upload media and convert the spoken language into a different one. Now that you're inside the dubbing section, the next step is to upload your file. Click the upload option and choose the Chinese video you want to dub. Depending on the file size, it may take a moment for the platform to process it, so give it a little time to load. After your file is uploaded, look for the languages setting. Click on languages and from the drop-down list, select Chinese as the source language. This tells ElevenLabs what language the original audio is in, so it can accurately process the dialogue for dubbing. Once you've selected Chinese, the final step is to click Enter. That will confirm your language selection and continue the dubbing workflow. From there, ElevenLabs can move forward with preparing the voice conversion process for your video. And that's it. You've now taken the first key steps to dub a Chinese video to English in ElevenLabs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.